Welcome to the 13th Beach course care video on divot repair. Make a habit of grabbing and filling a sand bucket at your starting hole. Buckets are available at the 1st and 10th holes on both courses and at the first hole on the short course. If you forget to grab a sand bucket at your first hole at 13th Beach, there are additional sand buckets available at the 2nd and 11th tees on both courses. Out on the course, when after playing a shot, repair your divot by filling the hole with sand and using your foot to restore a smooth playing surface. If we all adopt the 1+1 rule in repairing divots, the fairways will be always in great condition. This is particularly important in collection areas where a high number of balls run to on the fairways. Existing divots that need repairing can be either a fresh divot or an underfilled or washed out divot. Guidance from the course maintenance team is to not replace the grass divot taken back into the fairway surface. Replaced divots are typically dislodged from the fairway surface by course maintenance machinery or birds before the divot has knitted back into the fairway surface. Making our best efforts to repair divots is an easy way to care for the course. Take pride in your divot repair. Who knows, the divot you repair could give you a better lie in your next round.